Salti Hearts is a surf, yoga, meditation and fitness retreat for women of all ages and all nationalities in Bali. I guess Bali is a very unique place. It's an island where you will find beauty, softness, a different smell, a different feeling, and it will definitely allow you to slow down. A typical day in Salti Hearts starts with an early wake up. Usually we could practice yoga, then we do a little bit of a meditation and stretches, and we get ready, we have breakfast, super healthy, super delicious, and then we hit the road to find the waves. We are in the water between 2 to 3 hours or even more, it depends on the crew. And after that we go to a different cafe every day to experience the coffee culture and the delicious food around the island. After that we get back to the villa, have fun looking at videos and photos of the day, and just enjoy chilling by the pool, in the hammock, in the gazebo. Some of the girls will be having some massages, others will be just reading or having a nap. And by the end of the day, we perhaps practice again yoga, more of a yin practice, just to unwind and relax and bring softness to the body after surfing, and have a delicious dinner. I think what makes Salti Hearts different from the rest of the surf yoga retreats here in Bali is that Salti Hearts is very personal. I'm here to be their host, but also their friends and their coach, depending whether it's surfing, yoga, meditation, or even having a chat. They're being taken care of, but also in a safe space where they can share as much or as little as they want, and they can experience a beautiful transformation just because you really come to your true self. I feel super blessed because one of the main reasons that I do this is because first, I love to be surrounded by women and to feel empowered and inspired by them. But I just grow every single time. I think I have the opportunity to see a different side of myself, and I learn from them, as I feel like everyone has something to teach you. And I grow in different parts of my life, whether it's, in my yoga practice, as a teacher, as a student as well, whether it's being more patient in every other areas during the retreat. But I guess as they come here to open up, I do exactly the same. They come here to my house, I welcome the doors for them, and I open and pour my heart at them as well. So it's a really, it goes both ways. So I feel absolutely touched, and every time I have a retreat and they leave, it's a different sensation, it's a different feeling, and it's a different growth for myself. I would say it's an honor for me to realize that the time that I spent here in Bali and at Salti Hearts with me has definitely made an impact in their lives in order to make whatever little or big change in their life to be happier.